Hello everyone. So if you want to log in to your YouTube account on other phone, here's how to do that. This method is universal, works both for Android and iOS. So first of all, let's open up our YouTube, of course. Now tap on the bottom to see, tap on the bottom row to see our profile icon, right? Now we gotta tap on switch account. It's right under our channel name. And then we gotta press plus. So let's press plus. And now we have to confirm our identity, of course. So enter your PIN, pattern, or password, and let's enter our credentials. So first of all, enter up your email. Then press next. Now let's enter our password. Press next. So you can save it or not. I'll press never. I don't want to add any phone number, so press skip. Agree to the terms of service, so your YouTube channel will be successfully added. And basically that's it. Now we can switch. So there we are. Okay, I'll do this later. So here how we switch. So simply tap on your profile icon again, switch account, and now you can switch between accounts and channels. So basically, that's how you do that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.